This is day 3.5 of the great fishing trip. And as you can hear, the rain's coming down almost ear-deafening. Right? I gotta give it to this Cabrera Alaskan guide tent. The only thing I'm getting is right over here. I got maybe like one drop hit me from this little panel here. Other than that, the floor is dry like the desert. Not a drop. Heater to keep you cold, warm. Dear God, man, when does this rain end? I'm waiting for the ark to come floating by with the animals screaming at us. Jesus, one fish, one day, God. That's all we ask. You know what? This could have been more fucked up if Bloomberg planned it out. Lord. Well, I gotta make a bathroom run. Flavio 13 out.